Today, in the preliminary hearing for Larry Millete's murder case, officers testified about loud bangs recorded in the neighborhood on the night Maya went missing. Then personal text messages between Maya and a male co-worker were read aloud in court. Covering it all is CBS 8's David Grofferson.
You may continue with your cross-examination.
Chula Vista police officer Jesse Vicente is the lead detective investigating the murder case against Larry Millete. He was aware of the loud bangs recorded by a surveillance camera in the neighborhood around 10 p.m. on January 7th, 2021, the same night Maya Millete went missing. The bangs sounded like gunshots, but the audio quality was so poor the FBI could not determine the source.
Those sounds were analyzed, and our experts could not definitively say that they were the sounds of gunshots.
Then DA investigator Matthew Grindley took the stand and testified that Maya had been communicating for months with a co-worker named Jamie Laird on a private Instagram page.
It was sexual. It was also very emotional. It got to the point where May had talked to Jamie about very personal issues, and Jamie was also receptive and responded with his own personal issues.
2 days before prosecutors allege Maya was murdered, a highly dramatic conversation erupted between Jamie and Maya on the private Instagram page.
And Jamie had responded that Larry had contacted Jamie's wife and essentially told her information that then created this dramatic conversation.
According to a motion filed by the San Diego County District Attorney's Office, on January 6, 2021, the defendant called the wife of Jamie Laird, the man with whom May was having an affair, to tell the wife that May had an abortion and that the child was Jamie's. Further testimony about the alleged abortion was shut down when Judge Dwayne Mooring called the attorneys into a private sidebar conference. The last message between Maya and Jamie occurred just a few hours before Maya's phone went silent.
There was an outgoing message from May Millete to Jamie Laird, which said, "Everything okay."
The district attorney investigator also testified that Larry Millete's cell phone was turned off for 12 hours the day after prosecutors allege Maya Millete was murdered.
David, this preliminary hearing is now going into its 9th day. We're in the 3rd week. How many more witnesses is the prosecution expected to call?
You're right. It's been a really long, unusually long preliminary hearing. The prosecutor says they have 2 more witnesses to call, and so at this point it could wrap up either tomorrow or Wednesday.
And it does seem a formality at this point that this case will be going to trial. Our David Grofferson reporting live for us. Thanks, David.